The world is filled with breathtaking destinations that seem almost too beautiful to be real. From crystal-clear lakes and towering mountains to vibrant cities and hidden islands, these places will leave you in awe. Whether you're a nature lover, a history enthusiast, or a beach explorer, here are some must-see beautiful travel destinations around the world that deserve a spot on your bucket list. 1. Santorini, Greece, the island of white and blue. With its iconic whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and dramatic cliffs, Santorini is a true paradise in the Aegean Sea. Walk through the charming streets of Oia, watch the breathtaking sunsets, and soak in the beauty of this Greek island escape. 2. Banff National Park, Canada, a Rocky Mountain wonderland. Located in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park is a dream for nature lovers. Turquoise lakes, snow-capped peaks, and dense forests make it one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Take a boat ride on Lake Louise, hike to Moraine Lake, and experience the wilderness like never before. 3. The Maldives, overwater paradise. A collection of 1,200 coral islands in the Indian Ocean, the Maldives is the ultimate tropical getaway. With its crystal-clear waters, luxury overwater bungalows, and vibrant coral reefs, this paradise offers an unforgettable escape into serenity. 4. Cappadocia, Turkey, the land of fairy chimneys. Cappadocia is famous for its otherworldly rock formations, ancient cave dwellings, and stunning hot air balloon rides. Watching the sunrise while floating above the unique landscape is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that makes Cappadocia a must-visit destination. 5. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia, a fairy tale of waterfalls. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a natural wonder of cascading waterfalls, emerald green lakes, and lush forests. Walk along the wooden trails, admire the crystal-clear waters, and immerse yourself in the unspoiled beauty of Croatia's most famous national park. 6. Bora Bora, French Polynesia, the jewel of the Pacific. With its turquoise lagoons, coral reefs, and luxury resorts, Bora Bora is often called the most beautiful island in the world. Whether you're snorkeling, paddleboarding, or simply relaxing on the beach, every corner of this paradise feels like a dream. 7. The Swiss Alps, Switzerland, a snowy wonderland. The Swiss Alps offer some of the most spectacular mountain scenery on Earth. Explore the charming villages of Zermatt and Interlaken, take a scenic train ride through the mountains, and enjoy outdoor adventures like skiing, hiking, and paragliding. 8. Kyoto, Japan, the city of temples and cherry blossoms. Kyoto is a blend of ancient traditions and natural beauty. In spring, the city transforms into a pink wonderland of cherry blossoms, while in autumn, the golden hues of the maple trees create an unforgettable landscape. Visit Fushimi Inari Shrine, explore the bamboo forest of Arashiyama, and experience Japan's rich culture. 9. Patagonia, Argentina, and Chile, the edge of the world. Patagonia is a vast wilderness of glaciers, mountains, and rugged landscapes. Explore the breathtaking peaks of Torres del Paine National Park, hike on the Perito Moreno Glacier, and witness some of the most untouched landscapes on Earth. 10. Amalfi Coast, Italy, a coastal masterpiece. With its colorful cliffside villages, winding coastal roads, and stunning sea views, the Amalfi Coast is one of Italy's most breathtaking destinations. Visit Positano, Ravello, and Amalfi. Enjoy delicious Italian cuisine and experience the romance of this stunning Mediterranean paradise. The world is full of breathtaking places, each offering its own unique beauty and unforgettable experiences. Whether you dream of snowy mountains, tropical islands, or ancient cities, these destinations will leave you amazed. Which one would you visit first? Let the adventure begin.